Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to study for maths literacy. To start, make sure you grasp the fundamental concepts and vocabulary. Maths literacy is all about applying numbers to everyday situations, so always look for real-world examples. Consistent practice is key to building your confidence and becoming proficient. We'll cover 4 essential steps to help you succeed in your studies. To master core concepts, begin by reviewing basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It's crucial to have a solid understanding of percentages, ratios, and fractions, as these appear frequently. Spend time interpreting data from various sources like graphs and tables. Also, practice converting between different units of measurement, for example, from meters to kilometers, to ensure accuracy in your calculations. For effective practice, make sure to work through a wide variety of past exam papers and practice questions. This helps you understand common question types and time management. Identify your weak areas early on and dedicate extra study time to those specific topics. Don't hesitate to seek help from your teachers or classmates if you get stuck. Finally, create a realistic study schedule and commit to it consistently, perhaps for at least 3 hours per week. When preparing for exams, simulate actual test conditions during your practice sessions to get comfortable with the pressure. During the assessment, manage your time wisely, perhaps allocating 1.5 minutes per mark. Always read each question very carefully, sometimes twice, to fully understand what is being asked. Most importantly, maintain a positive attitude and trust in your preparation. You've put in the work, and you can do this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.